Hey there, Cozy Space Living family. Welcome back to the channel where we transform small spaces into stylish havens. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of design lovers. Today's video is all about upcycling, turning your old furniture and decor into stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces that will add personality and charm to your small apartment. Before we dive into the creative ideas, make sure to like, comment, and let me know your favorite upcycling project. Whether you're looking to refresh your space on a budget or just want to add some unique touches to your decor, you're in for some amazing inspiration today. Upcycling isn't just about saving money. It's about giving new life to items that might otherwise end up in a landfill. It's a fantastic way to incorporate sustainability into your living space while also adding a personal touch to your home. You'll be amazed at what a little creativity can do. What's even better is that upcycled furniture pieces often tell a story and can serve as conversation starters. Whether it's an old chair or a tired coffee table, with a few tweaks and some imagination, you can make these items work perfectly in your small apartment. Not all furniture is created equal when it comes to upcycling, so it's important to start with the right pieces. Focus on items that have a solid structure but may need a bit of a makeover. Think old wooden dressers, chairs with great frames, or even outdated lamps. Start by visualizing how each piece could fit into your space. The great thing about upcycling is that it's all about reimagining the potential of something you already own. Don't be afraid to experiment and take risks. The beauty of this process is that you can always change it again later. One of the easiest and most impactful pieces to upcycle is an old chair. You can update the upholstery with bold fabrics or even mix and match different textiles for a more eclectic look. A fresh coat of paint or a distressed finish can make a world of difference too. For a more personalized touch, you could add a fun pattern or even stenciled designs to the chair's backrest or legs. This gives a unique look without breaking the bank, and it's a great way to tie your living room or dining area together. If your coffee table is looking a little worse for wear, it's time to get creative. You can transform an old, basic coffee table into a stylish statement piece by adding a pop of color, new legs, or even some chic decor elements. Consider adding a glass or marble top to a wooden base, or wrap the legs with twine for a rustic touch. The possibilities are endless, and a repurposed coffee table can become the centerpiece of your small apartment, showing off both your creativity and your personal style. Mirrors are an essential decorative piece for any apartment, especially smaller ones. They not only brighten up a space, but also create the illusion of more room. Take an old wooden frame or an antique mirror and give it a fresh, modern look with some paint or by adding embellishments. If you're feeling extra crafty, you can add decorative elements like gold leaf, beads, or even upcycled fabric strips around the frame. This will elevate your space and give you a stunning, custom-made mirror that's both functional and fashionable. Old cabinets or shelving units can be repurposed into extra storage or decorative pieces. Sand them down, repaint them, and add new hardware for a fresh look. You can also remove the doors to create open shelving for a more modern, airy feel. You could even add some plants or bookshelves to make the piece more functional. The beauty of repurposing cabinets is that they are versatile and can easily blend into any room, from the living room to the bedroom, offering both style and practicality. Lighting can make or break a small apartment's ambience, and there are so many ways to create unique light fixtures from repurposed materials. Use old jars, wine bottles, or baskets to craft pendant lights or chandeliers. For a chic industrial look, you could hang light bulbs from exposed wires and create a minimalist vibe. Not only will you save money, but you'll also create a stunning focal point that's sure to impress your guests. Wooden pallets are incredibly versatile for upcycling projects. You can easily repurpose them into coffee tables, wall art, or even a stylish bed frame. A simple coat of paint or some added decor will elevate the look and transform these utilitarian pieces into trendy decor items. Try adding some sleek modern legs to create a clean, contemporary look or attach wheels to make it mobile. The natural rustic look of wood can bring warmth to your apartment while giving your space a laid-back, stylish vibe. Old suitcases are a great way to add some vintage charm to your apartment while providing extra storage. Stack them to create a unique side table or coffee table, or turn them into decorative storage pieces for your bedroom or living room. Add a coat of paint, new hardware, or even fabric lining to match your decor style. The result will be both functional and stylish, giving your small apartment a touch of old-world glamour and organization. If you've got a bookshelf gathering dust, consider upcycling it by adding a fresh coat of paint or wallpaper to the back panels. You can also add decorative brackets or even turn it into a floating shelf for a modern, sleek look. Another fun idea is to remove a few shelves and turn it into a wine rack or mini bar. Bookshelves can be so much more than just storage. They can be creative art pieces that display your style while serving a practical function. Wall art is an important part of any apartment's decor, but buying expensive pieces can be a bit much. Instead, create your own upcycled wall art using old fabric, wood scraps, or even paper. You can frame vintage postcards, use old magazines to create a collage, or even make a geometric wall hanging using reclaimed wood. This is a great way to personalize your apartment with unique art pieces that reflect your style. Bringing plants into your apartment is an easy way to add life and color to your space, and upcycled planters are the perfect way to showcase your greenery. Old tins, wooden crates, or even shoes can be transformed into quirky plant holders. Get creative with your plant displays by mixing different upcycled materials to create a stylish garden nook in your apartment. Not only will it add charm to your space, but it will also improve air quality and create a calming, nature-filled environment. And there you have it, folks. These upcycling ideas are perfect for turning your small apartment into a stylish, personalized space without breaking the bank. If you loved these tips and want more creative apartment inspiration, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear which upcycled project you're most excited to try, so drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy upcycling!